Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to camp in Expedition 33. To start off, after the prologue, you're immediately inside an area, or, for lack of a better word, a dungeon. In there is no camp for you to rest on. The camp only exists when you've unlocked the world map. The first area you're introduced to would be Spring Meadows. Once you've finished the final boss in that area, you would be promptly introduced to the world map. And in here, before going to the next location, Flying Waters, Lune prompts you to go make camp first, which will unlock the camp option. Check over your inputs on the lower left, and there should be a button that says Go to Camp. And you'll find yourself here, completely safe from danger. At the camp, you can heal your entire expedition, increase their attributes, unlock more of their skills, use Color of Lumina to expand their Lumina points, and upgrade your weapons. And that's how to go to camp in Expedition 33.